Hello everyone, my name is Elena and this is part 2 of my video showing you how I crochet these toe wraps. Just a quick reminder that I also have a PDF tutorial where I use a finer thread for a more delicate version. Now that we've finished all the toes, try the piece on and place stitch markers in the double crochet on the sole side where you want the instep section to begin. I usually place mine about 2 or 3 flat mesh squares in from each side. I intentionally leave the sole open because I find it much more comfortable to wear this way. Next, join your working thread to the marked double crochet on the sole side, on the big toe side of the foot, and make 1 decrease. Continue and flat mesh across the instep until you reach the marked double crochet on the opposite side and make another decrease at the end of the row. The idea here is simply to move the edges of the crochet away from the sole, so work as many decrease rows as you need. For mine, I only made 1 row with decreases. From here, continue back and forth in regular flat mesh for as many rows as you want before starting the heel straps. For my sample, I made 1 row with decreases and then 2 regular rows without decreases. Now try it on again and place stitch markers in the double crochet where you want your heel straps to begin. I usually position these by eye, but if it helps, you can think of the width of the instep as 3 sections, 1 section on each side and 1 section in the center. We'll start with the strap on the side where your working thread is already positioned. Work in fillet mesh until you reach the first marked double crochet and make a decrease there. The main idea when shaping the heel straps is very simple. Make your decreases only along the inner edge toward the instep until the strap reaches the width you want. Keep the sole side edge straight without any decreases. For my strap, I worked 7 rows with the decreases until it was 2 fillet mesh squares wide. But you can make your straps any width you like. You could even make them very narrow, almost like ties. Once your strap reaches the width you want, stop decreasing and continue working straight until the strap reaches the center back of your heel. Make a securing chain and cut the thread, leaving a tail. Now let's make the second heel strap. Join the working thread on the sole side and work in flat mesh until you reach the marked double crochet. Make your decrease there at the end of the row. Continue shaping this strap the same way as the first one, making decreases only along the inner edge toward the instep. Once it reaches the width you want, stop decreasing and continue straight until it reaches the center back of your heel. Try the piece on again. If everything feels comfortable, nothing is too tight and nothing is hanging loose, bring the two straps together at the back of the heel. Turn the work to the wrong side and join the straps with the slip stitches, single crochet, or whatever joining method you prefer. And our toe wrap is finished. Make the second toe wrap the same way. The only real difference is when you shape the big toe. The side where you place the big toe decrease line determines whether you're making the right or left toe wrap. Everything else is simple mirrored for the opposite foot. And remember, this is just the basic instruction I created for this design. Once you understand it, you can really make it your own. Change the length, the size and the shape of the toes, the width or style of the heel straps. You can add beads, seed beads, stones, or experiment with completely different designs. This is where you can really have fun and use your own imagination. thank you so much for crocheting with me. And don't forget, I also have a detailed PDF tutorial where I make the same toe wraps with the finer threads for a more delicate and elegant finish. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment and share it with your crochet bestie. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!